Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Lithium Americas, and this is the monthly chart of it, and you just exclude this big bar. So anyhow, the data is available since 2008 and the stock is trading at a very important level. Let me tell you that if these things are happening alongside or the monthly chart, so this carries a whole lot of meaning. So do not just neglect this kind of patterns. Now you can see that the stock has probably made a breakout, okay, in its long term. So here you have your first resistance at 10.88, but the stock made a breakout above that level. Now it is trading at $11, and if you are considering a candlestick chart, so let me go to the line chart here. You can see here that if you are using line chart, then you can see that the stock has already make a big time breakout, okay. Now but if you are using candlestick chart, probably a breakout is yet to happen, and it will happen probably beyond 12.5. so it is up to you. If you want to consider a line chart will be good for you, then you can consider line chart. Else you should consider if you are a bit risk averse, you can consider the candlestick chart. In both the ways, the things looks very promising, and you indeed makes a breakout in the line chart. So now first let's talk about the current trend, then we will talk about the prospect future prospect of this particular script. Now you have your first support at 10.3 and you have your next support at 7.96. so these are the two important support levels which one should think of. Now here you have your trend, okay. So this is your support level which you can find in this stock. So if the stock makes a breakout above 12.42, then as a starter it could move towards $23 on the upside, okay. Probably it would take a couple of months because this stock is indeed a slow mover. So or you can just take a range rather than talking about a specific point. It will probably move in between 22 to 28 or $29 on the upside if the stock moves and sustain above 12.5. This is a starter, but considering the trend, once it crosses this level, once it crosses this line on the upside, you will probably think that there are some big targets which will yet to come. So what I'm saying here is for just a starting point. Once the stock make a breakout above 12.5, probably you can see a level in between 22 and $28 on the upside. But looking at this current trend, if you look at this entire trend, then the rise for this stock will be very big, because beyond 12.5 it's a start of a completely new trend, okay. And the probability for this stock to make such high is very good. So keeping all this thing in mind, just we will go by one step after another. So our first step will be to cross 12.5, then we have a target of 22, in between 22 and 28. Once it crosses that, then we will again redo the chart reading, and we will see what should be the next probable targets for these stocks in the months to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.